Hi guys, good evening. Welcome to Mrs. Deva. Welcome to the Facebook group of Mrs. Deva. My name is Astha Jain and welcome to the live business coaching session. So today's session is with Harbina. We all know her, and I'm just waiting for some of you to get online. And let me just start the session also on my laptop so that I can keep reading your comments and answer them side by side. And let me just see if Harbina is also live or not. Okay, no problem. So as you guys keep joining in, please write down yes, hello, hi, so that I know that you guys are here. And hi Sakshi. Sakshi is here. How are you doing? Good evening. Right, so all of you, whoever is joining in, please say hello to me. Hi Manisha, how are you? Yes, so I'm seeing your comments side by side, so that's why I will be looking here. Please pardon my swollen eye today. Hi Banani, how are you? Good to see you. Okay, so this is a live coaching session for Harbina. So let me just yes, Sakshi, you see this in my hand. Okay, so before we start this session, hi Rhythm, hi Sugina, hi Toshiji, how are you? Hey Harbina. So Harbina has sent me the request. Let me just try to accept it. Harbina, just a second. Just trying to add you. Hi Shikha, how are you doing? Oh great, so Harbina is also here. Let me just adjust my camera. Great. Hi Harbina, can you hear me?
Hi, how are you?
I'm
Yes,
good.
I
How
can
are
hear
you
you.
doing?
Am I audible?
Great. Yes, you're
I'm good
perfectly
too.
audible. Great. So, okay,
Thank you.
yes, I was saying that Sakshi, you see the crystal band that you sent to me. That is what I'm wearing. And before we begin the session, let me also just tell you that the earrings that I'm wearing today, they are from Shreya's Handicraft Tales. Shreya and Preeti have this amazing startup where they are Shreya is making jewelry from her own hands. It's all handmade, guys, and I really love it. So please check out their Facebook page. So I would request Shreya and Preeti, if you have joined in the session, do share your link also in the comments section. Hey Shreya. So Shreya is online. Great. So hi Smiti, Kiran, Kinjal, Srividya, Reena ji, Shikha. So Anita, hi Anita, hi Bharti. Okay, so guys, let's just quickly start the session. So I was telling you that today's session is with Harbina. We all know Harbina's amazing products. We keep seeing them. She goes live also with a beautiful products. And if I was not so strong, I would have bought I don't know how many products from her. So I totally love her collection, House of Mist. That is her brand name, House of Mist. Please do check out her Facebook page also. If you have not until now, you will be amazed. You will be amazed how beautiful her collection is. I totally love her handbag and clutch collection, especially. And it is very beautiful. Thank you, Anita ji. Thank you so much. Thank you, Mama. That's my mom joined in. Thank you, Mom. Okay, so let me just give you a brief introduction about myself and then Harbina. So my name is Astha Jain. Some of you know me. I'm a business coach for women entrepreneurs. I help them in growing their business, making it more scalable, making it more profitable and sustainable. And I'm also a work from home expert, and I help housewives and moms in figuring out what work they can start from their home. Now, let me just introduce Harbina a little bit to you. So, Harbina is NIFT graduate with specialization in fashion and lifestyle accessories, which of course we can see from her amazing work. And currently, she's pursuing a master's in interior design and styling from Pearl Academy. So, two amazing institutes. We all know about NIFT and we all know about Pearl Academy also. And can I just request, Harbina, you to, elaborate a little bit about yourself and, give us your introduction, please.
Thanks a lot for introducing me, and hi to all those who have joined us today. So it's wonderful to have you all here. So, as Astha has introduced me, I am a NIFT graduate and I'm currently pursuing my master's degree at Pearl. My passion has always been to have a brand for myself, which is why I started my brand House of Mist 2 years back in 2018. We started it with only a range of handbags, wherein we had only 5 to 10 designs. And now, within these 2 years, we ventured out into a lot of different products like Potli bags, clutches, jewelry, and this season we also introduced Rakis. So it's been a wonderful journey for me. So that is one part of my business that I have always been promoting. And the second thing is that I am also an interior designer by profession. So which is why I'm also pursuing master's degree in interior design from Pearl Academy. So I also take up interior design projects for houses, cafes, hotels. So this is a little bit about my work, and you all will be seeing more of my interiors work soon on the Mrs. Viva page. So that I've not been promoting much, but now I'm going to start doing that as well.
Wonderful, wonderful. We would love to see your interior designing projects, and we know we have such a talented designer in house now. So anybody who needs a designer, they are going to contact you, Harbina. Of course, we are already a fan of your collection. That is always there.
Thanks
And
a
let me
lot.
just also mention that Harbina has just released a course. She's going to take a workshop, right, Harbina, on Photoshop. Could you
Yes,
please quickly tell us
yes.
about that also?
Yes. So I'm doing a workshop on 13th, which is next week, Thursday. So that would be about basics of Photoshop. So we'll be talking about how to start with the software because Photoshop is something that we all of us really need to know at this point of time. All of us
True.
need to make creatives, all of us need to make some kind of posters to promote our own brand. So that's the need of the hour. And I have been working on Photoshop from past 7, 8 years and I know the software very well. So I have been taking a lot of workshops. So this is the upcoming one next week. So would request
Great.
all of those who are interested to get in touch with me on this.
Sure, sure, sure. Great, great. So I've got a lot of messages. In the meantime, hi Meena, hi Pooja, hi Toshiji. Thank you so much, Manisha. Kiran, hi Bhavna. Resham, hi Chavi. Thank you so much, Chavi. Okay, so let's just begin with the questions, Harbina. So Harbina has shared a few questions with me. Now I would request her to ask her first question, and we'll take them one by one.
Sure. So the first question I think that most of the people would really be interested in is that before lockdown, all of us used to do a lot of exhibitions, used to go to different places
True,
and
true.
put up our stalls. Now all of our business has shifted to internet. So there are so many
Online, true.
different platforms like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube, WhatsApp, and much more. So how do we keep
I
a
know.
balance on all those different platforms and generate sales via them? So that's my
Right.
first question to you.
Very, very important question, Harbina. And I am sure this is one question that I also get a lot. And I know that a lot of people have this question in their minds because there are so many platforms and there are so many places that you can be at. And that is why this makes this question very, very important. So, before everything else, tell me, Harbina, I think that you are taking care of your work or yourself. This is a single-handed and single, you are managing everything yourself, right? So I
Yes,
think this is the
yes,
case with most of our women entrepreneurs, and this is like women-led and run startups. We are one woman army, and we are doing everything ourselves. And I understand that there is this huge fiasco going around that we have to maintain all the channels, we have to be on all social media channels, and experts are saying that TikTok has shut down in a day. You should definitely you should be on all the channels and start your own Facebook groups, start your own communities. Everybody is saying this thing, but my question is it possible? I don't think so, really. Even for me personally, I have also tried to do it, and it was not possible for me also. Should you do it? No. Reason, because that will shift your focus from your work only to social media channels. If we keep worrying about all the social media channels, if we keep thinking that we have to be active on all social media channels, you will just be worried about your activity, your engagement, your channel development, and that takes away time from the work, from your actual work that is fetching you money, the work that you are trying to do. So in your case, the house of mist needs your attention, because that is the first thing in place that is getting you clients. Your quality work is getting you clients. So because in today's time there's a huge competition, we cannot really compromise on our quality of work. So my suggestion is, don't fall for this trap of thinking that we have to be present and we have to stay active on all social media channels at all times. Now, how do we go forward about it, or what should we do about it? First of all, identify who is your target audience. So we have to be very, very sure who we are targeting. Who are these people who are buying from us, or who are our potential buyers? And then we'll get to know where do we find them. So this is true for you and for all the entrepreneurs, that we have to be very, very strategic and smart about how we work and what we work on. Yes, Banani, so we discussed this issue, that you also were facing this issue, that creating multiple platforms and creating so many pages at so many places could be very overwhelming. So be very smart about it. Think about it. Where is your target audience coming from? Where are they hanging out? So in your case, I don't think that you will find a lot of shoppers on LinkedIn or say Twitter or any such similar platform. Now, on the basis of when you have defined your target audience, decide about the social media platforms. So think of the social media platforms as primary and as secondary. So keep, for example, if you're getting more people from Facebook, keep Facebook and Instagram as your primary platforms, and keep rest of the platforms as secondary platforms. Why secondary platforms? Because they do not need your attention each and every day. So for example, if you're using LinkedIn to create a business profile there, or to create your professional presence, you might not have to go there every day and update it, because you're not getting as much business from there. It is just because it is there because you want to create your business's presence on LinkedIn. So maybe once in a week or once in 15 days, you can go there and you can update the information. Then we have to think about the motive, motive with which we are coming onto these platforms. So for example, Facebook could be getting sales leads or driving traffic to your website. Similarly, Instagram could be for targeting international audience, or for bringing in more people for our own website, or at times generating sales leads also. Similarly, Pinterest, again, I would say it would drive traffic for you. LinkedIn is, of course, for your business presence. Twitter, of course, so for brands communication. But WhatsApp, of course, you said WhatsApp also. So WhatsApp definitely is not, it's not a social media channel, but then it is becoming it is coming up to be an extremely important channel of communication for us with our clients. So think, think the intent, what is your intent for these channels? And then once you decide that Facebook and Instagram are my primary channels, or Pinterest and Instagram are my primary channels, create your social media plan, because that plan will help you stay active on these. You will know what I have to post, when I have to post, कौन से चैनल पे मुझे क्या पोस्ट करना है. फेसबुक पे मेरी 2 पोस्ट रोज जानी है, इंस्टाग्राम पे मेरी 1 पोस्ट रोज जानी है. You will know. And then use a lot of scheduling tools. What we try to do is we try to do everything ourselves. हम खुद करने की कोशिश करते हैं, बट आप हर जगह कितना पोस्ट कर पाओगे? आप हर जगह लिंक्डइन पे अपडेट नहीं कर सकते रोज. यू प्रोबेबली कैन नॉट इवन अपडेट एवरी डे ऑन इंस्टाग्राम. So use scheduling tools. So Instagram and Facebook you can definitely cross post. आप Facebook Creator Studio से कर सकते हो. For others, use tools like IFTTT. IFTTT is free and it's very helpful also. So IFTTT is basically if this then that. So if you are posting somewhere on one platform, it will post automatically on the other platform. You can use Buffer. So Buffer has free version also. Buffer also has an advanced paid version. So you can use Buffer. If you are trying to maintain a very professional social media whole thing, then you can use Hootsuite also. But yes, Hootsuite is a little bit complex, I would say, to begin with. IFTTT and Buffer both works absolutely fine. Right. Then allot days to the secondary platforms. जो हमने secondary platform decide किया, for example, Twitter decide किया या LinkedIn decide किया. Decide 2 days or 3 days in a month, and on those days open up those accounts, and then whatever you want to update, you have some new sale coming up or something like that, or you want to post an article, especially if you're not like using if you're not using Buffer and IFTTT, you want to update it yourself, then you can fix those particular days and then do it. Right. So basically the identification of the platform. So this is for everybody, not just for Harbina. Identification of platforms is very important, guys, because you know, when we are in a startup, when we are running a startup, we have to work very smart. You cannot spend all your time on just doing one task. और वो सबसे बड़ा task होता है social media marketing. That takes a lot of time because engagement भी आपको चाहिए उस पे. And how will you engage? Because when you engage with the platform, तभी वो engagement वापस आती है आपके पास. So we cannot like spend all the time on social media. So try to find out workarounds. So we can of course definitely discuss it in as many details as possible, but then it's important because अगर आप सब पे एक्टिव रहने की कोशिश करोगे तो वो एक जो रिलेशनशिप बिल्डिंग होता है क्लाइंट के साथ, we will not be able to achieve that, which is most important for our business. Because we can be crazy for getting more and more followers. So I'll give you my example only. A lot of people tell me कि आस्था, Mrs. Viva, group की growth जो है वो कम है. Not as many people are joining as in other groups which are in the same range of group members. But I feel that whatever members I have, आप लोग सब जो हो, these are quality members for me. And my group's engagement rate is much higher than any other group in the similar section, which is completely fine for me. Numbers बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं बढ़ रहे हैं. I'm completely okay. I don't want to get crazy about numbers. Numbers आने से क्या हो जाएगा? If it is not doing me any good. So similarly in your case, Harbina, आपके followers बाकी प्लेटफॉर्म से बढ़ भी जाएंगे और बिजनेस नहीं आ रहा तो फायदा क्या है उससे, right? So this is what I would say we should consider कि सारे प्लेटफॉर्म्स पे एक साथ इकट्ठा हमें एक्टिव रहने की कोशिश भी नहीं करनी चाहिए. So it happened with me also. So I'm saying this out of experience also. I tried to maintain TikTok, but it was so difficult for me. I ended up leaving it. So because it takes time. It takes a lot of your time. आप काम कब करो अपना? That is the question. So try to maintain 2 primary platforms. That is more than enough. 2 or maximum 3, and then keep 2 of these platforms as your secondary platforms and work on them slowly. Right.
Right,
so,
right. That gives me a lot of clarity.
Right. So, and of course, one thing is there that whenever we are active on any platform, try to post around trending topics. So ये चीज हम कई बार मिस कर जाते हैं. ट्रेंडिंग टॉपिक्स जो हो, जो अपकमिंग फेस्टिवल्स हो, उस पे थोड़ा सा पोस्ट करने से प्लेटफॉर्म इन इटसेल्फ गिव्स यू एन ऑर्गेनिक बूस्ट. बिकॉज प्लेटफॉर्म ऑफ कोर्स एवरी प्लेटफॉर्म वांट्स कि जो लेटेस्ट टॉपिक चल रहा है वो उसका कंटेंट शो करे. So this is something जो कि we at times we miss out on, but try कि आप जो latest trending topic है उस पे, जैसे इंडिपेंडेंस डे आ रहा है, so try to do something around that. तो क्योंकि वो प्लेटफॉर्म जो अपने आप ऑर्गेनिक बूस्ट देता है ऐसी पोस्ट को. And I think in the end, if you just try to like hard sell all the time, अगर हम सिर्फ पोस्ट ही दे रहे हैं, अपने प्रोडक्ट्स ही सेल कर रहे हैं, हार्ड सेलिंग करने की कोशिश this just to be yourself, that's what I would say कि definitely make a plan, just try to be yourself, whatever is possible for you to manage, because आप 24 घंटे के 30 घंटे नहीं कर सकते हो, so we have to take as much work as possible, because बहुत से जो women entrepreneurs हैं, they are moms also, moms के पास तो बिल्कुल ही टाइम का क्रंच होता है, so considering that, it's okay to be active on just 2-3 platforms, that's more than enough. वो 2 platforms भी अगर हम कंप्लीट पोटेंशियल तक टैप कर लें तो भी हमारे बिजनेस लीड्स जो है वो बहुत हो जाते हैं.
Right. That's really helpful for me. I'm really going to follow it from now.
Oh, so is there some network issue from my
Shall
side,
we
guys?
move on to the next one?
Yes, sure. Meena is saying, Astha, a
Yes.
network issue on your side. Can you guys see me and hear me clearly? Let me know if
There's a little lag from your side.
I'm so sorry. Yes, now I can see on my screen also. I'm so sorry, guys. Let me know if there is something that is not clear to you. Write it down in the comments and I will be happy to explain it to you again.
So, yeah, it's fine now. I think now it's fine.
Okay.
Now it's clear.
Okay, great. Thank you, Meena. Thank
Shall
you for
we move on to the
confirming.
next one?
Yes, definitely.
Okay, so the next question comes on to the website management part of our business. So that's about, we have a website. I have a website which I created on my own only, but it's very difficult for me to manage. Like it's again connected to the first question that being my like single-handedly, I cannot handle all the platforms on my own. So
Very true.
website management has been again another task, and because we do not have a payment gateway on the website, so somewhere we lose the sales also over there. So how can we simplify the website management process,
Sure.
and we can gain some attraction to the website, and we can get some sales via it? So that's my
Sure.
second question to you.
Sure. So, Harbina, first of all, I mean, I have seen your website yesterday when I asked your URL. I've gone through the website. I did, I did a little bit of analysis of it myself, and it is really amazing that you were able to make this whole website yourself. Because it's not an easy task that you have done. I would say that every business, Harbina, we should, especially when it's up, because once again we're doing everything ourselves, we should divide our task in business, we should do it in stages, right? So if we try to do everything together, if you try to learn everything in one go, you probably will not be able to work on it, because you are the only person who is working on it, you are the only person who is running it. So आप उसको बना भी रहे हो और आप उसको चला भी रहे हो और पैसा भी आपको ही कमाना है, right? So it works definitely for a bigger brand or for a person that has some buffer of finance, those who can manage, or those who can hire somebody. But I think a lot of women and a lot of startups, like for personally me also, I'm mostly on a bootstrap budget, हम सब shoestring budget पे काम कर रहे होते हैं. So we should try to take things in stages, stage wise आप काम करो. And this is why I would say try to work a little bit backwards. थोड़ा सा स्मार्ट वर्क करते हुए ना backwards काम करना चाहिए हमें. It goes for website also. I mean, I have seen the website, very beautiful, but then yes, it needs a little bit of work, definitely. And because I would say that you already are at a stage where you are able to sell your collection, आपके products move हो रहे हैं, that's why I'm saying this, that now is the time for you to decide your business roadmap. थोड़ा सा business का roadmap जो है वो अब आपको डिसाइड करने की जरूरत है. हाउ विल यू डू दैट एंड वेयर वेबसाइट प्लेज द रोल इन इट इज डिटर्मिन द पर्पस ऑफ द वेबसाइट. अभी हमें वेबसाइट क्यों चाहिए? You know, of course, website is very very important for every business because it is somehow it is basically the thing that is under your control. बाकी कोई भी प्लेटफॉर्म जो है वो हमारे कंट्रोल में नहीं होता है. इट इज नॉट इन आवर कंट्रोल बिकॉज फेसबुक है या इंस्टाग्राम है, बाकी ये सब जितनी भी प्लेटफॉर्म्स हैं दीज आर नॉट इन आवर कंट्रोल. वी नीड अ वेबसाइट बिकॉज वेबसाइट जो है वो हमारे कंट्रोल में रहती है. दैट इज वाई इट इज सेड दैट वेबसाइट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड डेफिनेटली it is. So now when you are at a stage की जब हमारा एक MVP रेडी हो गया है स्टार्टअप में, जिसको हम मिनिमम वाइबल प्रोडक्ट कहते हैं, इट इज देयर, योर वैलिडेशन इज डन, यू आर सेलिंग गुड. नाउ डिसाइड वेदर यू वांट द वेब, व्हाट इज द पर्पस दैट यू वांट द वेबसाइट फॉर. So it's fine if you think that the website is not able to get you as many clients as of now. It is completely fine. It will be absolutely fine. There is no harm about it. When you feel that you are ready, because अगर अभी आप और भी बहुत सारी चीजें कर रहे हो, I know that you are studying also. So आप पढ़ाई भी कर रहे हो, आप सोशल मीडिया भी अपना खुद कर रहे हो, आप मार्केटिंग भी अपनी, सेल्स का भी आप खुद ही ध्यान रखते हो, डिलीवरीज का ध्यान भी आप खुद ही रखते हो. When you think that you have little bit of time now from your all these tasks, or keep out some time for website, when you are able to dedicate some time to your website, start stage wise. Think what is to be done first. So in your case I would say that you have to work on the content of the website first. कुछ जगह मुझे content में लगा कि हम थोड़ा सा improve कर सकते हैं. Especially structuring of the content is very important. For example, when I go to House of Mist, I really do not make out that jewelry और पर्स के अलावा और क्या क्या काम है. So इस टाइप का जो कंटेंट स्ट्रक्चर है वो हमें थोड़ा सा बनाना चाहिए, so that whenever a visitor comes there they get to know immediately कि what can I expect from this website, मेरे को यहाँ पे क्या क्या मिलेगा, या ये वेबसाइट किस चीज के बारे में है. Then probably you can move on to getting the payment gateway. If we are talking about getting more clients, then find out about payment gateway कि आप कैसे payment gateway ले सकते हो. Because once you start marketing, people will definitely come onto the website. They might want to shop from the website, and you should have a payment gateway or at least a way chalked out कि आप ऐसे अभी payment gateway नहीं भी है, so you can probably Paytm, या आपने जैसे Flipkart डाल रखा है, और Amazon also is there. So you can, that's perfectly fine. Then we should think about the marketing, because website marketing is an extremely important aspect for all of us. So website marketing ka, make a plan, design a plan for yourself, and then of course you'll have to bring in traffic from all your social media platforms. So आप run campaigns from Facebook से लाने का, Instagram से लोग लाने का, LinkedIn से लाने का, जहां जहां से भी हमारी presence है, WhatsApp के through, email marketing के through. So these are the various campaigns. Encourage people to shop more from the website, because by now you are sure that you are getting business from Facebook or say from Instagram. आपको यहाँ से leads आ रही हैं. Now you want to bring up your website. So to bring up the website, we have to encourage people to start ordering from the website. As of now they are in the habit of connecting directly with you, या तो WhatsApp आपको करते हैं या Facebook Messenger से आपको मैसेज सेंड करते हैं, but we have to encourage them to shop from the website. You can of course definitely come up with various offers, discount codes, discount coupons develop कर सकते हो. This can be a whole detailed plan for the website marketing. And when it comes to your maintenance of website, you try to get a monthly checklist. So if there is a person who probably can help you, then you can of course go back to that person, speak to him and ask them for a checklist. Basically you should have a routine of maintenance. So every month what all routine checkpoints you have to do, that is something. Just a second. So Meena is saying if your products are on Amazon, then a link can be given. Yes, Meena. So that is something that Harbina already has. So she has her products listed on Amazon and Flipkart, and those links are backlinked from her website. So we were talking about the payment gateway because she wanted to buy a payment gateway. That's why payment gateway came in. Okay. So I was talking कि routine checkpoints जो होते हैं maintenance की, you can get this checklist also from, आप internet से भी निकाल सकते हो, that you have to take backups, you have to take then plugins का जो है आपको वो form checks आपको करने होते हैं, database का आपके जो checks हैं, firewalls, directories, analytics क्या क्या read करना है, website की speed, then content on various navigation links should be working, and all the content should be updated. So these checkpoints you should keep in. This will be very easy for you if you have a list for yourself and do those checks every month. तो हर महीने आप वो जो अपना एक चेक पॉइंट है, वो चेकलिस्ट है, पूरी की पूरी आप रन करो, एंड दैट विल बी वेरी हेल्पफुल फॉर यू. It would be very helpful and easy for you, because otherwise you will keep on thinking about it all over the, it will be all over the place कि अरे वेबसाइट का ये काम करना है, वो काम करना है. But if you know that I have kept 15th and 20th every, it will not be a problem, right? Because
right.
it gets easy for a single person, because when he knows कि अच्छा ये चीज करना है आपको, इस दिन करना है, it gets a bit easier.
Yeah, that's something I really need to work on. I'm going to find time
Take
for
it
this. I'm going
stepwise.
to
Take
really
it
start
stepwise.
working on these things. Yeah.
I know. Time is the most important thing. That's why I said come on to this when you can spare a little bit of time, because I know you're doing multiple things in one go, which is absolutely commendable. आपने ये website भी खुद बनाया. This is also a very big thing. So I was going through the website. It is a wonderful website. बहुत अच्छी है. But of course, you need time to work on it. So whenever you are ready,
Yeah,
take it in stages. Business roadmap के हिसाब से accordingly आप करो, right?
definitely.
Okay.
Going to do that.
Okay.
Thanks a lot. So the next question is about customer relationship, and that's much important for every brand. So my question is, how do we
Everybody.
maintain customer? Very true. How do we maintain customer relationship to time? I would like to know some tips from you
Yes,
on that.
definitely. And of course, you send me the trust building also. So, customer relationship management and trust building,
Yeah,
both these things I'm going to share with you. So,
yes,
how do we do it? By opening a communication channel. Incidentally, Harbina, this trust building thing and this customer relationship management is one of the easiest things to do, but most brands and most companies struggle with it. वो जो ना वो कहते हैं ना, जो सबसे आसान चीज होती है शायद वही सबसे मुश्किल लगने लगती है. So that is the case with customer relationship and trust building. But the easiest way to do is to keep communicating with your clients. हमेशा keep talking to them, and I'm just going to discuss the points with you. So just show up. First point is just show up. Go live from your own platform. Speak to people. If you are not selling, it's completely fine not to sell your products all the time. Share about yourself. People really would love to know. Give the face to the brand. So I had this discussion with Sukriti also, that it's important to give a face to the brand. People keep talking about House of Mist, Guzarish Creations, बट कौन है उसके पीछे, ये जानने में ना इंटरेस्ट बहुत बहुत आता है लोगों को. दे रियली लव टू नो. गो लाइव, टॉक टू देम, मेक योर इंट्रो वीडियो, talk about your work, talk about yourself, talk about what are you learning, talk about how did you start, talk about your journey, anything, just straight away, all these things, they help in building trust, because people get to know you. How do we build trust, or how can we make someone else trust in us? When they know about us, जितना ज्यादा कोई हमारे बारे में जानता है, उतना ज्यादा वो हम पे ट्रस्ट करता है. So this similar concept applies to work also, businesses also, brands also, everything in life. So, and definitely it will not come in a day, 2 2 महीने 3 महीने में भी नहीं नहीं होगा. It is a consistent and a constant thing that we have to keep doing. So that's why I say that एक बार live आप आ गए month में, it's good, but it doesn't mean that you do not go live for next 2 3 months thinking that I went live in March or I went live in May. No, probably make it a practice once in a month, because you're getting new clients, you're getting new followers, you're getting new fans for your business. So try to keep on going live. So you maybe once you can just introduce yourself, second time you can talk about your work, third time you can talk about the collection, fourth time you can talk about your journey, how did you start, what inspired you to start, what encouraged you these days, how do you keep yourself motivated. So all these points you can keep talking about them. Then you probably want to note down the direct touch points with your clients. So WhatsApp message, Facebook Messenger, email, so phone call, definitely these are direct touch points with the clients, right? So you can directly connect with your clients through these platforms. Then maybe stay active, stay active on your page, stay active on your profile. This is the simplest thing. Stay in touch, ask for feedback, just drop a message to your client who you have just sent a delivery, or आपने कुछ अपना product भेजा है. Ask for their honest feedback. It is very very important, to get the clients unadulterated feedback. So we don't want to influence them कि आप हमें हमेशा गुडी गुडी वाला feedback दो. How are we going to improve then? So it's important that we request for an honest feedback from them कि आप whatever you want to you have as a feedback for me, I am very open to listening it. And even if it is a negative feedback, it's completely fine. It's okay. Listen to them with patience. I know at times ऐसा हमें लगता है that the client is not being fair, या बहुत ही unjustified सी कुछ demand कर देते हैं वो. But still, I would say that at least give them a chance to listen to them. एक बार सुनते हैं ध्यान से क्या कह रहे हैं, क्या पता हमें ही improve करने का मौका मिल जाए. So listen to them with patience and encourage them to give their unadulterated feedback and review for you. And of course give them best possible customer service experience जो है, that matters a lot. Probably that is one thing that can immediately वो क्लाइंट्स का जो एक्सपीरियंस अगर बहुत अच्छा होता है ना, सो दे इमीडिएटली टर्न इनटू अ रिपीट कस्टमर. फॉर एक ऑर्डर आपकी तरफ से गया और एक्सपीरियंस बहुत अच्छा था, यू कॉल देम अप, यू आस्क देम कि सर कैसा लगा या मैम कैसा लगा, दे फील वेरी हैप्पी. इफ नॉट नेक्स्ट टाइम कुछ चाहिए होगा ना, पहले आपको जरूर कंसिडर करेंगे. सो that's something that experience matter. We have to make them feel special. So वो जो special वाला feeling है ना, वो बहुत जरूरी है. Everybody wants to feel special, और especially अगर clients हैं तो see end of the day clients ही हमारे लिए सबसे ज्यादा वो they are the business source. तो बहुत important है उनका opinion भी, उनका feedback भी, चाहे positive हो या negative हो, उनका experience बहुत important है कि experience बहुत अच्छा हो. And then I've seen at times some people, what they do is, other clients जो है, if you're not seeing eye to eye with each other, they come to a non professional tone पे आ जाते हैं. So as a brand, never do that. Maintain your professional tone, even if you think कि client जो है बात थोड़ी ठीक नहीं कर रहे हैं या demand justified नहीं भी है, you can be firm. आप firm रह के professional tone में अपना message deliver कर सकते हो. So keep this thing in mind. Try to keep your calm. I know कई बार बहुत difficult आता है, but then keep your with your client at times. Don't I know गुस्सा आ जाता है, but then try to don't go the unprofessional way. वो नहीं करना चाहिए. And then try to add value. Probably I would say जो एडिंग वैल्यू वाला जो पॉइंट है वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है. मूव ऑन टू इंफॉर्मेशन मार्केटिंग, शेयर टिप्स विद देम. So share best practices. So in your case, you can give them a lot of styling tips. आप fashion tips बहुत अच्छी दे सकते हो. So that really creates the connection. So वो it becomes you can tell them that how your product is making their life a bit easier. So वो aesthetic value कैसे आप enhance कर रहे हो उनकी. So talk about it. Give them tips. Informational marketing पे जाओ. and they will immediately start connecting with you. Share your USP. How are you different with others? You have to share this thing with them कि मेरे jewelry में या मेरे collection में this is something which is different. My USP is that I am designing the products myself. So share these things. ये चीज share करना बहुत important है अपने clients के साथ हमें. Then try to bring your client live. Kabhi, ask a client that would you love to, like, would you like to come live on our page? So people who follow somebody or people who follow a brand, they get very happy at times. They feel very privileged that the brand that I buy from, they are calling me live on their page. So a lot of people they are following you, Harbina, because I know I've seen your Instagram. You have a lot of followers. So bring a client live. Video video review हो जाएगा. Talk to them, ask them about their experience with you. How do they feel about your collection, या जो piece उन्होंने लिया कैसा लगा. So this will be a very good practice in long term for the new clients that are coming in, because they will see, they can relate कि अच्छा okay, this is a client, ये तो client का ही direct live है, client का ही video review है. So it builds up the faith कि this person liked it so much, let me give it a try. और कुछ नहीं तो वो एक ट्राई तो कर ही लेती हूँ, एक छोटा सा कुछ तो ऑर्डर करके देख ही लेती हूँ. And that's the sentiment that we want to induce, that give us a try. एक मौका दो, एक चांस दो, उसके बाद तो हमारा प्रोडक्ट ऐसा है कि आप you will come back, right? So ये चीज जो है बहुत important है. And then of course client testimonials, definitely I always say collect as many reviews, feedbacks and testimonials as possible. And prepare your customer database also, if possible. Prepare a database, wish them on special days, wish them on birthdays if you know about their birthdays. This also acts as a subtle reminder of your product and your service for the client. So not just that you are building up relationship, this also is giving them a reminder that you are there. So or if you're releasing any special offer for them, of course you can apart from sending out gifts whenever possible for you, send out gifts, but also wish them on special days. So आपका ना dual purpose solve होता है उससे. एक तो customer relationship बना रहता है, brand recall value आ जाता है, because they will see a message from Harbina के नीचे लिखा होगा House of Mist. They will immediately remember कि oh अच्छा ये वो है जिनसे पर्स लिया था, अरे मेरा क्लच कितना मेरे को पार्टी में इतने लोगों ने कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स दिए, वो इयररिंग्स मैंने लिए थे हरबीना से. That thing is important. वो important है और वो immediately याद आ जाती है जब you see a message from someone on your phone. So वो brand name का जो recall value है ना, वो बढ़ता है. That is why it is very important to keep in touch with the clients, right? And of course because you personally would want to make a broadcast list. आपके offers आते हैं, आप offer send out करना चाहते हो, but हर बारी sales post जाता है, again हर कोई भी बंदा bother हो जाएगा. बट कभी आप विश कर रहे हो और बीच में एक सेल का मैसेज भी आ जाए ना, nobody minds it कि अच्छा ओ वाओ ये शी इज विशिंग मी फॉर सो लॉन्ग नाउ, या लेट मी सी हर सेल, देखती हूँ क्या नया कलेक्शन कुछ आया है, एक लिया तो था बहुत अच्छा लगा था, एंड शी इज परसिस्टेंटली शी इज इन टच विद मी. सो वो एक स्पेशल फील जो आता है ना क्लाइंट को कि आई एम स्पेशल फॉर दिस ब्रांड, दैट इज इम्पोर्टेंट. वो हमें देखना है कि हमें कैसे वो सेंटिमेंट इंड्यूस करना है अपने क्लाइंट के मन में. And then of course special offers, definitely. What else? One more thing, yes, don't over promise and under deliver. A lot of times people do this thing, order लेने के लिए over promise कर देते हैं and then they face problem और वो under delivery हो जाती है. That is the biggest deal breaker. वो बहुत बड़ा deal breaker हो जाता है. Whatever it is, be honest in your communication. So ये पूजा woman या पूजा जादव, she has this USP. I've been working with her for quite some time now. अब काफी time हो गया है मुझे उसके साथ, and I know that she is one person who is perfect in being communicative with the client to an extent कि कभी order उसका late भी हो रहा होता है ना, client doesn't mind वो, because client knows that this girl is sincere. she is in constant touch with me. So that is something, वो ये communication का जो chain है ना, भले ही दिक्कत आ रही है आप client को clearly बताओ. So I said this thing in my last session also, that you and client are one team. At times people think कि I am मेरे साथ ना courier वाला मेरी team में है and client is on the opposite side. No, you and client are in one team. Keep the courier वाला guy in the सामने वाला team. So कीप देम इन्फॉर्म्ड, उनको बता के रखो कि सी इट इज इन कोरियर, ये है। ऑनेस्ट ऑनेस्ट जो भी है, वो उसने 10 days कहे हैं, उसने 20 days कहे हैं, वॉट एवर जो उसने कहा है वो बता के रखो उसको। एंड ऑफ कोर्स ऑल दीज थिंग्स विल अल्टीमेटली लीड टू द बिल्डिंग ऑफ ट्रस्ट, जो कि हम गन करते हैं, वी गन फॉर दिस थिंग इन आवर बिजनेस, बिकॉज एंड ऑफ द डे लास्टिंग रिलेशनशिप्स जो होते हैं ना हरबीना, हमारे क्लाइंट्स के साथ, दे मैटर। So always be be a little bit empathetic towards the clients also, because followers बहुत मिलते हैं, but जो क्लाइंट्स, लाइफ लॉन्ग क्लाइंट्स हैं, वो कम मिलते हैं, और हमें ये लाइफ लॉन्ग वाले क्लाइंट्स ही चाहिए। फॉलोअर्स बहुत सारे, कोई बात नहीं, मिल जाए, वो तो सबके ही आते रहते हैं। वो कोई, आप काम बहुत अच्छा करते हो, फॉलोअर्स बहुत से आएंगे, बट व्हाट इज इम्पोर्टेंट कि हमारे जो ये लॉन्ग लास्टिंग क्लाइंट्स हैं, ये चाहिए। ये जो ऑल दिस फियास्को इज अबाउट बिल्डिंग रिलेशनशिप्स विद क्लाइंट्स। ये सब वो एंड ऑफ द डे वही है कि क्लाइंट जो है उसको अच्छा लगना चाहिए, एक्सपीरियंस अच्छा होना चाहिए। Yes,
That's
Kiran is also
rightly
saying
said.
this
Very
thing.
true.
Yeah, yeah.
Very true.
Yeah.
That's much
So
important.
yes, I know, and these are the small points that at times we miss, हम लोग मिस कर जाते हैं। बहुत छोटी छोटी सी चीजें होती हैं, अप्रिशिएट करना, कुछ भी, कोई भी छोटा सा भी चीज है, इफ वी अप्रिशिएट द अदर पर्सन, इट रियली गोज अ लॉन्ग वे। वो हमें, वी डोंट इवन गेट टू नो, बट वो कई बार हमारे इतने उसमें काम कर जाता है, फेवर में काम कर जाता है, दैट इट वी एंड ऑफ द डे वी थिंक यार ऐसा तो आउट ऑफ द वे जाके इस क्लाइंट के लिए कुछ किया भी नहीं था, बट वो एक छोटा सा आपका अप्रिसिएशन, छोटा सा वो दैट कम्युनिकेशन चैनल, दैट मैम इट माइट टेक 2 days लॉन्गर, और इट माइट रीच यू अ बिट अर्ली। सो वो वाली जो चीज है ना, वो काम कर जाती है हमारे फेवर में।
That's very true.
So I think Harbina, if you have any questions from me, you can definitely ask. And I would say, all the viewers, if you guys have any questions, please ask us, and I would try my level best to answer them. Thank you, Somita. Thank you, Tejinder. Yes, Kiran. Thank you. Thanks, Manisha. Thank you, Shashwati. Thank you so much. Harbina, do you have any questions, any more questions that I can answer? इसमें से कुछ आपको लग रहा हो, कुछ और question you want to ask, anything?
I think we have covered a lot of questions in these three major pointers, and I've
Pointers.
really learned
True.
a lot of these, a lot from you from in past 1.5 months that I've joined the group. I think this is the best one that I've joined till now. I'm really going
Oh,
to stay
thank you.
for my entire lifetime. So
That
even
would be
I've been
our
telling my
privilege.
parents about it. So my parents, I've been telling them about it, that I've joined this one group and it's really good and I've learned so much from you. And I really
Thank
apply
you.
all these points. So I make a point that I attend all your sessions and I jot all the points down and I apply them slowly and gradually. So it's really helpful for me. And
Thank
I
you.
think for all the viewers who are over here, all of them have the same feeling that I have right now.
Thank you.
So
See, I'm
I do not have
smiling
more
ear to
questions.
ear.
So
Okay, so
that's really, and
yeah, go ahead.
that's all. I was saying that if I have any questions, I always WhatsApp you and I always keep on
Oh,
asking you
definitely.
questions.
Anytime. You are very welcome
Uh,
for that. So, actually, so guys, we have actually decided that after this session, Harbina could, show some of her beautiful products. So, Harbina, if you are ready, we would like to see some exclusive products from you and understand a bit more about your process. How do you select your products? You design them yourself. So, something from your side.
Definitely, definitely. So, when we started the session, I told you all about how my journey started. So, I worked with High Design during my college days. So, that is one brand I always look up to. So, that was my
True.
inspiration to work with handbags and to work with accessories. So after that, when I graduated, I started working. I worked in an interior design firm, and then I started with my own accessories brand. So we started with only a range of handbags. So I'll show you one bag right now I'm going to show our bestseller products. So this one bag comes in different colors, and this bag has been the favorite of all. So right now I have just one last piece left, which I'm going to show you all. So this is called the Quilby bag. So are you able to see?
Yes.
Yeah. So here it is. So that's all quilted. This is the beige one that I am left with. So we made this bag in a lot of colors, and everybody really liked it a lot. And I designed it myself, and we produced it. Even
Wow.
the sling that is there has the same quilting, and even the
Okay.
binding, and there are these studs as well. So we take care of all the details, design details that come on every bag, on every product. So that's the bag. And everybody has really loved this bag, and we've sold a lot of them. So we do not plan to discontinue this bag ever. And we plan to
This is
make
so
this in
pretty.
all desirable colors. So this is one of the best sellers of ours. Then coming on to another range, we have more handbags, but I'm showing only like a few today. So we have
Sure,
this
sure.
cane bag, which some of
Ah,
our
this is so
artisans have made.
pretty.
So this is made out of cane, and there are leatherite trims on it. So these are leatherite
Okay.
flowers, and this
Oh.
has a very strong opening mechanism. So it's very sturdy and it doesn't go anywhere. Like some people feel that cane bags usually do not sustain for a lot of time, but these of time. So this is one of the bags from our cane bags collection, and we have some more designs as well in the cane collection. That's so this is all about the bags. So I've showcased two of our bags, and if there are any questions I can see, I'll answer after this later on. Then I got to know that you like our clutches, so I'm going to showcase our two exclusive clutches that we have. So this particular one is my favorite. This is with sequins, fully cladded with sequins. So this is also one of the
It
best
is very
sellers,
pretty.
and I'm sure. Thanks a lot. And all the clutches that we have a sling also inside it. So there's a chain that comes along with it, and they have very strong mechanism of closure. So that's how it opens in. So there is the chain.
Oh, okay.
So all the clutches come
And look,
slings,
it
and
looks
they have
spacious to
nice
me
closures as
also,
well.
right? It's very spacious
Yes,
because
this
the problem
all
with
the clutches
clutches
are quite
is,
spacious.
you go to the party, but you cannot keep
Yes,
anything. You carry the clutch, but you can hardly keep anything.
yes.
So, but this looks spacious to me.
Yes, you can actually carry your mobile phone inside it, keep your money, keep a few more things. Like whenever I go to a wedding or a party or anywhere, I like clutches that have space to keep my mobile phone,
True.
where things can be safe and secure. So that's much important in the case of
True.
clutches. And we have this another one. This is also one of our exclusive clutches. This one is fully
Very
cladded with
pretty.
pearl.
Pearls.
So it, yeah, even in the front and even on the back. So it's fully cladded.
Right, right, right.
So
Very pretty.
that's
Very beautiful.
another clad that we have. So
This also has a
thank you
string
everybody
in
for
it.
putting such beautiful. Yes, this has a sling and also it has a handle as well. So that's the handle,
Oh, okay.
and there comes the sling. I'll just open it and show it to you. So here is the handle, and this is the chain sling
Sling, yeah, it's very
over
important
here.
for people like me who are clumsy when they are in party and they really want to uh, use it as crossbody purses. They don't want to hold it in their hands. So people like me, they look for slings or strings like that.
Yes, sling is much important when it comes to
Yes.
clutches. So we have slings in all of our clutches. And the same sling comes in black as well. So that is full black pearls cladded on it.
Wow.
Then so this was the two good hot clutches that I showcased. Then we have Potli bags. So this is one of the Potlis. These are all hand embroidered Potlis, and these are made on velvet fabrics. They are very good quality Potlis that we have. And this is the last one that I have because it was Rakhi season and people
Rakhi, so
really liked
sold out.
uh, gift potli. Yeah, gift
Right, right.
potlis to their bhabis. We actually what we did was inside the potli because there's a green one, so we made combos in a way that with the green potli, you take a green rakhi, you take a green lumba, and we give a pair of green earrings along with it. So it became your favorite color combo for bhaiya and bhabhi. So that is what we did on Rakhi. So it went
Wow.
really well. So so that's how we've used our Potlis in our Rakhi season.
Wow.
Then coming on to our jewelry collection, we have a different kind of jewelry items with us. We have necklaces, we have earrings, bracelets. So showing you like this is one of the one of my own collections, part of my collection. This is one of the
Wow.
necklaces. And then in this, we also have another one. This is made out of glass beads. So these are all glass beads, and
Oh, very
they
pretty.
are also very high quality glass beads. So all the products that we have, we make a point that we do not compromise on quality. We
Quality. True.
make sure that the quality should be good, and prices also we keep quite reasonable so that really deliver to our customers. So we don't keep our prices very high, overpriced. We don't keep them overpriced. Then one pair of earrings that people really like. These are these earrings which people buy a lot from us, and they can go well with even ethnic wear and even your Western clothing. So these earrings, and they are for 100 rupees only. So people really love buying these kind of earrings from us. So we have a range that
Right,
starts
right,
from
right.
100 rupees and goes up till like jewelry goes up till 700, 800, 900 rupees. We keep it very reasonable. Then these are one of the earrings that are again very, dazzling and hot selling pair of earrings. And this is the last one that I'm showing you all. This is this is a recent hot seller. This is a bracelet that a lot of people have loved. It's a
It has
charm
tassels
bracelet.
also?
So
Oh,
like
charm. Okay.
yes, there is yeah, these are all different charms. So you can see this man standing, then there are leaves in it. So has been carefully made with different kind of charms. Then there are shells
Right,
also.
right,
There is
right.
this girl dancing. You can see. So there are a lot of elements in this particular bracelet. This particular one is actually a very hot selling bracelet of ours currently. So we recently designed it and launched it.
Right,
So
right, right. So
that's all
something on
about
the
our collection.
concept of Pandora collection also is like charms wale bracelets and they have those jewelry, So something on the
Yes,
similar concept.
yes, yes. Something like this comes like something tribal, and yeah, that sort of a feeling has been tried to created in these
Right,
kind of
right, right, right,
bracelets.
right.
So yeah. Thank you
Wow,
everybody for
great,
putting down
great,
your comments
Harbina.
over here.
Lovely, you're
And
great, great. So, I guess this brings us
thank
to
you
the
so
end of
much.
our session. Thank you so much, Harbina. Thank you for sharing your collection with us, showcasing it for us specially. And thanks to the viewers who have been with us for so long. All my sessions, I know all my sessions they stretch out. But thank you so much for listening to us and for staying during the whole live session. And take care, all of you. And we'll just end the session here. Bye bye, everyone. Bye, Harbina.
Bye, everyone. Thanks a lot. Thank you so much. Bye bye.